Nagay tissue. Nay tissue sa imo ha baya. Among adapted. Kilang na, go lang.
Ako na lang yung isa single, hindi ka single kay nanang kay partner sa kinabuhi, di ba? So, bisa ka sa tamaan ito, wag yung taragaway. Kuratag, pangkutulin mo, ikaw ang magulang, o sa pamilya ko ni mo, mama ni mo, mga igsoon ni mo.
O yan, lagi hila.
Hindi ko hilang ko. Grabe ang pag-trend nila sa mga botan kay sila. So, bro, kabalo mo kitang mga lalaki, nalagi kita matintal, makita tagwapa. Ayun ang ini bro, nanas yung tabad. Ako na perminti ang imong matanaw, gabi mo to. Ikaw po ma'am, makita kagwapo, kamo niya, liya ang tintapa, nanas siya. Mao ang pinakagwapo sa imong kinabuhi. O, karon magbasa na ko sa mga intro pa to siya. Kaya naging emosyonal ko sa bro kay since 2018 nung ko pinagkailan yan, dugi-dugi na doon ba? O, karon gamay lang ni words pero makapapukaw ni sa isip magtiayon, magapalikon doon sa munduha. Good afternoon everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm honored to stand here as the beast man. Seeing those two together, you can really tell that someone people are simply meant for each other. To the groom, thank you for being such a good friend and for always being someone people can really on. And to Brian, thank you for loving him so genuinely and for making him the happiest version of himself. Marriage is about choosing each other every day in the big moments and even in the ordinary ones. And if there's thing we all know tonight, it's just these two who are ready for the journey together. So there's a lifetime of love, patient laughter, and beautiful memories. May your days together always feel like home. Okay, itong ipatar ng mga baso. Please raise your glasses for the newlyweds couple, Eupen and Ma'am Abby.
Uy, may sulod.
Okay, sabay tayo.
Cheers.
Okay, 3. Nakataas naman mga baso diya.
Kita.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, cheers. Yan.
Alright, cheers everyone!
Cheers.
Mabuhay